Hey everyone, this is Steve Linden. I've got another fantastic theme for us today. This one is a lawn care gardening style theme. Landscaper, if you're a landscaper, it's a great choice as well. We can adjust it to whatever your needs are, drop some great pictures in it, and make it your own based on your topography, where you're located, and in the type of landscaping that you do, whether it be commercial landscaping, residential landscaping, horticulture type work. Farming, whatever it may be, we can convert this particular theme to be yours, make it look fantastic, and promote your services and your offers and your products perhaps. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can tell it's a really nice looking theme. You can get a quote here, purchase Ekko if you're trying to sell some products, things like that, some farm equipment maybe, stuff like that. Maybe gardening services, we can convert that over to a product or a service, put some product pictures in here or service pictures in here to reflect the type of offering that you have. We can also include in this particular theme WooCommerce, which will allow for us to put products in here, and people can click on those particular products and purchase them, and have you deliver them. So do some things like that. So we can change out the pictures here to be whatever you want them to be, make it look really nice. Nice call to action. We can have a scheduling button here if we want. If you want to schedule a session, a meeting, an online meeting, a virtual meeting with somebody to talk about their needs from their home in your office perhaps, we can do that. Just really nice, the things that we can add in here. Let's say you're selling AstroTurf or you're selling turf, right? Or eco-friendly products. We can add that in there. The steps on getting it set up and done perhaps, little call to action buttons here. And then you scroll down here. Our latest works, we could change that out to whatever you want to have it change out and have it be a nice series of tiled pictures on the different things that you do, and see how nice that looks. So really great looking call to actions, nice colors. It just looks fantastic. And depending on where you're located, we can adjust it to the style of topography that you have, like I said earlier, and just make it your own. So, and if they want to go on a monthly plan with you, let's say, we can click on monthly, or we can go to yearly and they can get a discount, maybe 10%, 20%, something like that. Do that. And then down here, it's just a really, really nice, there's a testimonial section right here. We can also do video testimonials in here if you choose, and where you would just send us videos, we would adjust them and alter them and then upload them into a platform that would give a really, really nice look for video testimonials in here in a slider format, which is far more impactful, especially when you're on mobile. And obviously this website is a mobile ready site as well. So we can do that. There's just so many different things that we can do. We can set up text messaging in here. We can do events. We can do whatever it is that you're trying to offer, whether you're offering a product and or a service in this particular space. So it's just a really, really nice, look. Here's a call to action right there. We can make a what's called a dynamic, form here. So it could be a transitional form with a bunch of questions, so you can narrow it down before you go out and see the people. Just do so many different things that are really innovative and wonderful. We just need to talk about it, find out what your needs are. Just do some discovery, do a strategy session. We take what long-term and short-term goals you have, what you're trying to accomplish, what your budget is, fit it within your budget, and then start building it out. And then the next step is make this SEO friendly for the search engine, so that we bring you up to the top of search on page 1. And I'm not just saying that, we can actually do it. We just need to talk to you about it and figure out if it's something that's relatively easy, going to take some time, and also what keywords that you want to use, keyword phrases to get within your area. So let's say, for example, you're a residential gardener in Pasadena, California. Then we would put find the keyword phrases, add the location Pasadena, and we can certainly get you up into the top of the search engines for Pasadena, for example. Many different methodologies, using video, using audio, using podcasting. There's just so much we can do. We just need to talk to you, find out what your needs are, and go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this particular quick review of this particular theme. If you'd like to know more in detail about the services page, the contact page, the about page, and all the other pages, or any other specialty pages that you'd like us to build, all you have to do is just get a hold of us. My name, again, is Steve Linden. Look for the information on this page or below it, and we'll go from there, and just click on the button, schedule an appointment, and we'll just go through some discovery and figure out what your needs are. So we'll go from there. Have a good one. Take care.